Engineer 1. Let's clarify some issues related to the factory design drawing file. Engineer 2. Sure. Which issues would you like to clarify? Engineer 1. First, we need to clarify which side is responsible for this file. Is it our company or your company? Engineer 2. According to the original contract, our company is responsible for the factory design drawing file. However, we are willing to work with you to resolve any issues you may have. Engineer 1. Thank you. We appreciate your willingness to cooperate. Engineer 2. You're welcome. Engineer 1. Now, we have a few specific concerns about the factory design. For example, we find the proposed layout to be unreasonable. Engineer 2. On what basis do you find the layout to be unreasonable? Engineer 1. The proposed layout does not take into account the flow of materials and products through the factory. This could lead to inefficiencies and safety hazards. Engineer 2. We understand your concerns. We will review the layout and make necessary changes. Engineer 1. Thank you. We also have some concerns about the materials that have been chosen for the factory. Engineer 2. We have chosen the materials that we believe are most cost-effective and durable. However, we are open to suggestions. Engineer 1. We would like to recommend that you use more sustainable materials. This would be better for the environment and could also lead to long-term cost savings. Engineer 2. We will take your recommendation into consideration. Engineer 1. Finally, we would like to request that you design the factory to optimize area, materials, and construction costs. Engineer 2. We will do our best to meet your requirements. Engineer 1. Thank you. We appreciate your cooperation.